Today I'm going to be harvesting my leeks and making leek and potato soup. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. If you stick around for later in this video, I'll be giving a quick little tip of how to get the soil out of leeks easily. For this recipe you need 3 leeks, which is about 500 grams, 3 medium onions or 2 large onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 litre of vegetable stock, some Dijon mustard, 600 grams of potatoes and 40 grams of butter. Here's a little tip for leeks if you still want to have the chunks of leeks in a circle instead of cutting them up finely. You score a line down the side where the soil is, open it up and just give it a quick rinse and voila! Everything's cut up, you need to melt the butter in a pan until the butter foams. Then add the leeks, potatoes and onions. Add some salt and pepper. Not too much as you're already using stock cubes with lots of salt in it. As you can see, I slightly overestimated the amount of veg I have compared to the size of the pan. Put the lid on and let that simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally so you don't burn the bottom of the pan. While that's waiting, do your stock cubes. I need the 2 stock cubes to make 1 litre. Add the stock to the pan. I needed to get another pan as all the stock wouldn't fit in here. So I'm trying to give it a good mix. add the mustard. I'm putting some in each one since I had to split the balls. And a good stir. Then let them simmer until the potato is cooked. While that's cooking, I'm going to make some croutons or fried bread. Giving it a quick taste just to make sure it's nice. It is. I love leek and potato soup, and this recipe is perfect. I'm going to leave the recipe link where I got this from in the description box below if you want to give it a go yourself. I'm not really too keen on smooth soups, I like chunky soups. Perfect. This can last a couple of days in the fridge, and you can even freeze it. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget, if you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe. Bye!